Hi, I'm Bryan Turner. I'm the Director of Architectural and Construction Services for the district. Currently standing at elementary number 63, which is now known as Sunburst Elementary. The school's under construction right now and is slated to be completed in August. We also currently have the rebuild of West Bountiful Elementary under construction and South Clearfield Elementary rebuild, which has started construction a couple months ago.
School's moving along from updates from last time. We've got casework going in the building. We've got ceiling tile going in, ceiling grid in the classroom wings. They just poured the main commons floor yesterday. Storefronts and window systems are going in. Obviously, mechanical, electrical, plumbing stuff's just ongoing throughout the building as they work their way through.
So this elementary is one of Davis's prototype elementary schools. And on this one, our theme is rhythm, and also we've incorporated that theme into the exterior of the building. So another unique thing about this elementary is the district is going to incorporate a teacher training program into the school. As part of that curriculum, all of the classrooms are a little bit bigger. One of the features of our elementary schools and a lot of our schools, we put in overhead doors so the classrooms can all open up and the collaboration space can become an extension of the classrooms. During construction, it's just amazing watching everything coming together, and everyone that comes in can really see the vision coming to life, so that's probably the most exciting part for me.
This project's actually gone really smooth, which is a credit to the contractor and the architects. The contractor's taken a lot of measures to try to keep people safe and try to keep their distance in the building. They have to spread people out a little bit, but things are moving along pretty well. We hope school will start on schedule August 22nd, so we'll be ready for them. We'll be ready for the kids.
My name is Weston. I'm the Architectural Coordinator for Davis School District. Today we're here at South Clearfield Elementary. You can see the first walls going up here on the east side of the school. This school is going to be have a mid-year opening. So about a year from now we should be able to move into this building and have a nice new school for the kids. One exciting feature that we hear a lot about is going to have a fireplace. So right in the front door you walk in and it's going to have almost a living room setting. And so that's the intent of it, is to come in and feel like you have a warm place, safe place to be. Another unique thing about this school is it has a university piece where we bring in students that are learning how to be teachers at the universities. We have some partnerships there. And so there's a certain space for them set aside, and they will be able to operate out of there and then also spend their time in the school learning and being with the children. South Clearfield's one of our oldest schools. If you go in there's a lot of deficiencies in there, a lot of things that are falling apart and don't work. It just comes to a point when it costs, to throw more money into a deteriorating school doesn't make any sense. And so this was a great opportunity, and we had the space and the land to build a new school just behind it. We're on schedule and everything's moving great.
Yeah, we really appreciate the support that we got on our 2015 bond election. Again, we really appreciate that and able to give back to the community.